Naghahanda na daw mga kapatid ang China para sa deliver ng mga bagong air defense system sa Iran dito sa mga susunod na linggo. Ito ay ayon sa isang CNN reports. Pag-usapan natin to mga tol.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Ayon dito sa Al Arabiya English, US intelligence indicates China is preparing to deliver new air defense system to Iran within the next few weeks. CNN reports citing 3 people familiar with recent intelligence assessments. Actually mga tol, yung mga ganitong uri ng ceasefire, hindi lang Iran ang makakapagpalakas ulit o kaya magkakapag-ready, kundi maging ang Amerika at ibang mga bansa pa na involved Pero ang importante kasi rito is nagkakaroon ng progreso na katulad nito makalipas ang isang buwang bakbakan, makalipas ang mahigit isang buwang gera is nagkaroon ng kahit papano'y pansamantalang tigil putukan. Siguro sa susunod pag-usapan natin mga tol kung ano yung update dito sa nangyayaring peace talk ngayon dito sa Islamabad sa Pakistan sa pagitan ng mga delegado ng Amerika at ng mga delegado naman ng Iran. Pero ngayon, ayon dito sa balita is naghahanda nga ang China para sa deliver ng mga bagong air defense system daw para sa Iran. Ayon dito sa report mga tol mula rito sa Al Arabiya English, US intelligence indicates China preparing weapon shipments to Iran. Ayon dito sa report, Ito sabi rito, US intelligence indicates China is preparing to deliver new air defense system to Iran within the next few weeks, CNN reported late on Friday citing 3 people familiar with recent intelligence assessments. The network said there are indications that Beijing is working to route the shipments through third countries to mask their origin. Padadaanin sa ibang bansa para hindi mapagtakpan kung saan nang gagaling talaga o kung saan yung original na pinagmulan. The US State Department, White House and the Chinese Embassy in Washington did not immediately respond to Reuters' request for comments. Beijing is preparing to transfer shoulder-fired anti-air missile systems known as manpads. CNN said, citing sources it did not name, hindi pinangalanan kung sino yung mga sources na yon. The US and Iran are set to hold high-levels negotiations on Saturday in Pakistan's capital, Islamabad, seeking ways to end their 6-week-old war. So ano sa tingin ninyo mga kapatid? Totoo kaya itong mga report na ito na naghahanda na ang China para sa deliver ng mga panibagong air defense system para dito sa Iran? Ngayon, merong balita rito mula rito sa Sky News Australia. Sabi rito sa caption ito babasahin lang natin yung caption. US President Donald Trump has warned China will have big problems if it decides to ship arms to Iran. Panoorin natin mga kapatid.
Hours, as you probably have noticed. We'll see what happens. Look, regardless, we win. Regardless what happens, we win. We've totally defeated that country. And so let's see what happens. Maybe they make a deal, maybe they don't. It doesn't matter. From the standpoint of America, we win. One of the things that's happening is that boats are sailing up and heading out to our country. Big, beautiful tankers, and we're loading them up with oil and gas and everything else, and it's a pretty beautiful thing to see.
Kung sinasabi rito ni Donald Trump, ano man ang mangyari dyan sa negosasyon na yan, doesn't matter, di na mahalaga yan. Nanalo na kami, sabi niyang ganun.
We're going to see what happens. We're in very deep negotiations with Iran. We win regardless. We've defeated them militarily. They've dropped a couple of water mines. You call them water mines in the boat. We've defeated all of their water boats too. Their Navy has gone 158 ships. They have 28 water droppers, mine droppers they call them. All of them are sunk. They probably have a couple of mines in the water. We have mine sweepers out there. We're sweeping the strait. In addition to that, we're negotiating whether we make a deal or not. Makes no difference to me. And the reason is because we've won. Whether you listen to the fake news or not, it's amazing. Their credibility is down to 13%. The media credibility down to 13%. Think of it. We defeated their Navy. We defeated their Air Force. We defeated their anti-aircraft. We defeated their radar. We defeated their leaders. Their leaders are all dead. And now all we do is we'll open up the strait even though we don't use it because we have a lot of other countries in the world that do use it that are either afraid or weak or cheap. I don't know what it is, but we were not helped by NATO, that I can tell you.
Pinupunterian niya dun sa sinasabi niya mga fake news media daw, no? Isipin daw natin, eto sabi mismo ni Trump to, isipin daw natin, no? Natalo na daw nila yung lahat ng Navy, Air Force, lahat daw ng radar nila, nasira na daw ng Amerika, lahat daw ng leaders ay nasawi na. Mga tol, ngayon ang ginagawa nila is nililinis daw nila etong Strait of Hormuz, binubuksan nila kahit hindi naman daw nila ginagamit. Ito'y para daw sa ibang bansa na nakikinabang dito dahil hindi daw kayang gawin ng mga bansang yon na buksan ito ng sarili nila. Is either sila daw ay takot o mahina o talaga walang kakayanan, no? Sabing gano'n ni Trump.
But we were not helped by NATO, that I can tell you. How do you know that? Why do you say that? Why do you say that? You don't know anything. Who are you with? Who are you with?
NBC News, Julie Surkin.
ABC?
NBC.
Well, that's fake news.
Mr. President-
Let me just tell you, we win, no matter what. We've defeated their military. They have no navy. 158 ships are underwater, undersea. All of their minesweepers and all of their, they call them mine droppers. Can you imagine? A country has 28 mine droppers. You think that's nice? With all of that being said, they're all defeated, by the way. They're all at the bottom of the sea. Now, with all of that, they have no navy. They have no radar. They have no air force. Their leaders are all dead. Khomeini is gone. For many years, he ruled. He's gone. With all of that, let's see what happens. But from my standpoint, I don't care.
But the President that China is preparing to ship weapons to Iran.
Well, if China does that, China's going to have big problems, okay?
So yun, bandang dulo na pala yun mga tol, yung topic na yun about sa China, no? So kapag ginawa daw ng China yun, magkakaroon daw ng malaking problema ang China. Yan ay malinaw na sinabi ni Donald Trump. So ang dami niyang sinabi mga tol at paulit-ulit niyang sinabi, panalo na sila, naggiba na namin lahat ng military nila, Navy, Air Force, radars, lahat yun, mga leaders, lahat yun, wala na. So ngayon, nililinis na daw nila etong Strait of Hormuz kahit hindi nila pinapakinabangan at hindi naman daw nila ginagamit yan, para daw yan sa kapakinabangan ng ibang bansa na wala daw kakayanan, takot o kaya talagang mahina at hindi nila kayang gawan ng paraan para mabuksan itong Hormuz. Ngayon Amerika daw ang gumagawa niyan at hindi daw nila katulong dito ang NATO. Lahat ng mga pinag-usapan natin mga kapatid, nakita nyo naman lahat yan may source, lahat yan ay binabasa lang natin. Hindi po ako magbibigay sa inyo ng information dito na batay lamang sa kuro-kuro katulad nung sinasabi dyan ng ibang mga nagkokomento. Kung ano yung gusto ninyong paniwalaan, bahala kayo sa buhay ninyo. Basta tayo, nagre-reaction lang tayo at nagbibigay lang tayo ng komento dito sa mga balita. Ikaw bilang isang Pilipino, ano ang iyong masasabi tungkol dito? Comment ka na lamang sa ibaba.